Let's find the equation of the line containing the point 2, 1 that is parallel to the line 3x plus y equals negative 1. If the two lines are parallel, that means they have the same slope. So my first goal will be to find the slope of this line here. So I have the equation 3x plus y equals negative 1. To find the slope, I'll put it in slope-intercept form. That is, solve for y. Everything with a y I want on one side, everything without I want on the other. So this 3x, I'm going to move to the other side by subtracting 3x, leaving a y equals negative 3x minus 1. What I'm looking for is this number here. So I know the slope of the red line is negative 3. So the slope of the line that I want is going to be equal to that because I'm looking for a parallel line. So that means my slope, m, will be equal to 3. So the slope of the red line, m1, is equal to negative 3. And since I want a parallel line, my slope, m2, will be also negative 3. So now I know the slope and a point. So I can create an equation of this line. The equation will be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This uses the point slope form of the line. So here I have y minus 1 equals my slope m, which is negative 3 times x minus 2. This is an equation for this line. If you want it in slope-intercept form, you solve for y. But since that wasn't asked for, I'll stop here. Now let's find the equation of a line containing the point 1, negative 2 that's perpendicular to the line 3/2 x minus 2. Since this line is already in slope-intercept form, I can read the slope right off. The slope of this line, m1, is going to be 3/2. So that means the slope that I want, since I want a perpendicular slope, will be the negative reciprocal. So the slope that I want, m2, will be negative 2/3. So now I have a point here, x1, y1, and a slope, negative 2/3. So I can write the equation of the line, which is y minus negative 2 is equal to negative 2/3 times x minus 1. And this is an equation for a line perpendicular to that line.